Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Langkawi International Multidisciplinary Conference 2023 for granting me the opportunity to make this presentation. I am truly excited to share with you our research on the topic, exploring the impact of organizational commitment and employee green behavior on green human resource management insight from construction companies. Before we delve into the core of this journal, I would like to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Sabila Syahida Rahardja, and I am currently pursuing my studies at Telkom University, specializing in business administration. It is a privilege to be the one of the contributing authors to this journal, and I'm eager to share our findings with all of you. Moreover, I am delighted to introduce our esteemed co-authors who have made invaluable contribution to this research, Mr. Bahrudin Saleh and Mr. Alex Winarno. Their expertise and dedication have played a significant role in shaping the insight and outcomes presented within this journal. Together, we hope that the research shared here will provide value, insight, and contribute to the body of knowledge in this field of green human resource management within the context of construction companies. Now let's delve into the key finding of our research. The first one is research objective. Wikagedung, opponent construction company based in Indonesia, Wikagedung operates as a subsidiary of PT Wijaya Karya Persero Tbk, a well-known state-owned construction company in Indonesia. Their primary expertise in executing construction projects related to buildings. At the core of Wikagedung identities are their vision and mission, which serve as guiding principle for their operation. Their mission is to become the preferred partner in creating space for a better human life. Their mission is providing high quality product and service, caring for people's life, engaging with key stakeholder, upholding corporate governance and ethical business practice. And the last one is innovating to enhance growth and value. In conclusion, Wikagedung commitment to excellence, ethical conduct, and innovation is evident through their vision and mission. They aspire to make a positive impact on the lives of people by creating better space and contributing to betterment of human life through their construction projects. The importance of environmental protection has been recognized in the era of globalization and organization are now prioritizing economical challenge. Indonesia is taking part in the preparing the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs for 2030, which require Indonesia to contribute to creating adjustment and improvement. The leading construction company in Indonesia, PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung, has set out to implement socially and environmentally conscious business practice. However, in designing and analyzing its human resource, PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung must fully integrate ecological friendly human resource management. However, there is also second dimension, namely green human resource management that the company can apply. This dimension includes environmental management activities or program based on ISO 141 as a guideline, as well as one of the main priorities of UK and environmental management. The purpose of this study is to examine the effect of organizational commitment and employee behavior on green human resource management. On this slide, we'll discuss the literature review that we use for our research fund. According to Labella Fernandez, green human resource management is a company policy in managing human resources sustainably by incorporating environments aspect to prefer nature in the management of the company. There are 11 dimensions of green human resource management. These dimensions are green job design and analysis, green human resource planning, green requirement, green selection, green induction, green training and development, green performance evaluation, green reward management, green health and safety management, green employee discipline management, and the last one, green employee relation. Next is organizational commitment is defined as the employee's desire to remain members of the organization. Organizational commitment influences whether employees choose to stay with the organization or retire and or leave to pursue other jobs opportunities turnover. According to Jason A. and Sedora 2019, there are three fundamental dimensions of organizational commitment, namely one, continuance commitment, and two, affective commitment, and the last one is normative commitment. The last literature review that we use in this research is employee green behavior. Employee green behavior defined measurable action and behavior involving employees related to contributing to or reducing environmental sustainability. Indicates that human behavior is connected to the global issue such as pollution and climate change. Organizational Organization can contribute to environmental protection and sustainability effort through this behavior. According to Bashirun 2019, the dimension of employee green behavior includes A. Conservation, B. Hazard avoidance, C. Acting sustainably, D. Influencing others, and E. Taking initiative. From literature review, we developed this conceptual framework that have some hypothesis result, which is hypothesis one, there is an influence of organizational commitment on green human resource management among employees of PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung Tbk. Hypothesis two is there is an influence of employee green behavior on green human resource management among employees of PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung Tbk. And last one, hypothesis three, there is an influence of organizational commitment and employee green behavior on green human resource management among employees of PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung Tbk collectively. Moving forward, we will explore the methodology in our study. This research technique uses a quantitative approach and descriptive casual research type. Independent research variables include employee green behavior and organizational commitment. In comparison, green human resource management is the study's independent variable. All employees of PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung Tbk located in East Jakarta, Indonesia, became the research population. 100 respondents were selected as sample using non-probability and purposive sampling technique. Also, the data collection technique use are observation, questionnaires, and interview. Uh, we we use IBM SPSS statistic version 26 for Mac software in the study. Validity and reliability tests are used in the data testing approach. Techniques for analyzing data are descriptive analysis, classical assumption test, and hypothesis testing. Next, we'll examine the data analysis and result. The first result is validity to test and ensure the validity of each statement or question in the questionnaire. Before the research distribute the questionnaire to respondent, the research conduct a pre-survey questionnaire to 30 respondents to determine whether the questionnaire to be distributed is valid or not. Based on the validity test result, as you can see in this table, each variable validity is value more than 0.361 or R table. It can be concluded that all varieties are valid. Based on the reliability test result, it shows that the reliability value of each variable is more than 0.60. It can be concluded that all variables are reliable. The results are shown in also in this table. Next, we have analysis result for respondent characteristic from gender, test men and women with age from 20 to more than 50 years old and with job tenure from less than 1 year to more than 11 years. And the result for descriptive analysis is that the organizational commitment variable has a percentage of 79.07%, which if placed on a continuum line, is it in a good group. And for the employee green behavior variable has a percentage of 77.67% in a good group also. And last one is the green human resource management variable has a portion of 79.93% in a good group. In conclusion, PT Wijaya Karya Tbk has shown organizational commitment, implement friendly human resource management practice, and encourage environmentally responsible employee behavior. Next, there's data analysis and result from classic assumption test. The test number one is normality. Normality. The test findings show that the factor influencing organization commitment decision have passed the normality test are typically distributed. You can see from the pick number one, the chromograph Smirnov test can also check normality with a significant A result 0.05. Data instability distribute if the considerable value is more than 0.05. So in this data, they have regularly distributed. Next is multicollinearity test. Based on the data is distributed because the significant value of the data is more excellent than alpha. Based on the test result, the VIV value is 185.0, which indicates the absence of multiculinary problems. In the addition, the tolerance value is 0.351, more than zero point 0.1, providing that this study does not have multiculinarity problem. Based on the test result, for the last one is heterodyny test. The point of the y-axis spread and do not form a particular pattern above or below zero. This means that there is no heteroscedasticity. The results are shown in this picture. Next, we have data analysis and result for hypothesis tests. Um, the test result, you also using SPSS, show that for the organization commitment, the T count is 2.767, less than 1.984, with a significance value of 0.007, more than 0.050. So it includes that HO is rejected and H1 is acceptance, which means there is a correlation between organization commitment, partially and significantly, to green human resource management at PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung. Meanwhile, for the employee green behavior, the T count is 7.373, more than 1.984, with a significant value of 0.000, less than 0.050, concluding that HO is rejected and H1 is approved. It shows that at PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung TBK, employee green behavior greatly and partially influence green human resource management. There are results for T. Next, for the F, it shows that the calculate F value is more than significance level, so includes F count more than F table, or 135.243 more than 3.19, and a significant level of no point 0.000 more than 0.050. It means HO is rejected and H1 is accepted, proving that organizational commitment and employee green behavior impact the green human resource management of PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung TBK. The last one for this hypothesis test is that coefficient of determination. The result shows that the value is 73.6%. It shows that at PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung TBK, organizational commitment and employee green behavior combined influence green human resource management of 73.6%, with other factor affecting the remaining 29.4%. Based on research finding and discussion conducted in the previous chapters, the following are the conclusions that can be drawn from the issue in this study. From our analysis is that all three variables fall with the good category, and there is a significant partial influence of organizational commitment on green human resource management at PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung TBK. Second is there is a significant partial influence of employee green behavior on green human resource management at PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung TBK. And the last conclusion is that there is a significant stimulation influence between organizational commitment X1 and employee green behavior X2 on green human resource management at PT Wijaya Karya Bangunan Gedung TBK. With this conclusion, we bring today's presentation to a close. Thank you for your attention and participation. Here are our contact details for further inquiries. We appreciate your time and look forward to our valuable feedback. stay connected with us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.